Hey, this is Dylan with NoContractVoIP, and today we're going to be setting up the T54W. So let's take a look at it. So first, let's go ahead and connect our power. Now this particular phone also has the add-on key module, which gives us an additional 60 buttons. That's optional, and it can have up to 6 of those for each phone. So now that it's all booted up, let's get out of here and go to the menu. We need to go to Basic Settings. Then we need to scroll down to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is already on, so we just need to go to the available networks, find the network we want to connect to, and then key in our password. We can press this button to go between uppercase, lowercase, and numbers. So let's go ahead and key in, and a V, and then we'll switch over to numbers, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go, we've connected to the Wi-Fi. It's connecting to the network, and there we go. We were all registered on, we're all green on everything. Now, let's go ahead and set up our Bluetooth headset. So we gotta put our headset into pairing mode. Go to Basic Settings, Bluetooth. We gotta switch our Bluetooth to on. And now, let's scan for a Bluetooth device. Okay, so there's our headset. We'll connect to that. Okay, and we're successfully paired. Now let's back out of settings. We got our little Bluetooth, we got our headset symbol, and we got our headset light lit up. Now let's go ahead and make some quick calls. Hello, can I just borrow you for a couple of test calls? Okay, so we're gonna start off with, hold. So we're gonna put them on hold. We just hit this hold button. We could also hit the hold button down here. They're the same thing. Next, either while they're on hold or not, we can hit transfer. And let's pick who we're gonna transfer them to. We're gonna send them over there. We can press B transfer to send the call immediately, but we're going to do an attended transfer instead. That way we can let the receiving party know who it is. Hello, I'm just going to transfer Ariana over to you. Hang on, and transfer is complete. Okay, next let's go through a conference call. So let's call our first participant. This time we'll use the BLF buttons over here on the add-on key module. So we're going to call our first party. Hello, so I'm just going to conference you on with someone else. Hang on one moment. So we hit conference and we call our second party. We can use the BLF buttons over here, or we can just dial it out. Hello, I'm going to conference you on. Hang on one moment. So we hit conference to combine all the calls, and there we are. Now we have 2 people in the call. We can hit manage to mute, remove, or put people on hold. Or we can even add on an extra person. So let's go ahead and call our third participant. Hello, I just need you to test a quick conference call. Okay, so we press conference again, and now it tells us there's 3 members. You all here? Okay, awesome. So we can hit manage again. We see all of our participants. And if we hit this button with the 2 dots, we can even split the call into 3 separate calls. So let's go ahead and do that. And now we can just handle them each individually. So we can just end them each one at a time. And we can pick up the one that we still want. Hello? Hello, okay, thank you. Bye. And that has been the T54W. I've been Dallin with NoContractVoIP, and I'll talk to you later.